How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. The first things first is access your Outlook mobile application. If you don't have it, just simply go to your Play Store and just directly download the app. Now, once you have accessed the Outlook mobile application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in my case, I have connected my Google Mail through my Outlook. Now, for you to be able to do it, just go to your user logo or your user profile picture. And if you would like to recall a sent messages, there will be a sent option right here. Now, in my case, I'm going to be looking through the outbox. Now, it's going to be the same through with the sent items. Now, once you're here, just simply tap on that and you can definitely delete that. Same goes with doing this on the sent items. So that's it. That's how you can recall Mail and Outlook mobile app. You just go directly to the mobile app logo for Outlook, go to your Outbox, or for the sent messages, tap on the current message that you would like to recall, and you can delete it.